So first, you plug the serial port into the CMT port of the control. Then on the computer, you start up File Utilities, File Commander, make sure you're in the right folder, and then push Receive from CMC. Enter the name that you want to call this file. Now it's waiting for the MASAC. So up here on the MASAC, you push the left button until you see Data I/O. Push Data I/O, push CMT I/O, push Save, NC to CMT, enter the work number of the program you want to save, input, and then push Start. It sends the program over, and now it's over here on the computer. So here's our program we just downloaded from M+. We can look at that here on MASACAM. That's the M+ program. We can say change CMC and take a look at the matrix mill. Select that one, enter the file name to go to. It's already there for the matrix. It says converted it for us. And we can look at it. So we plug in the USB drive. Data I/O, USB, directory select, pick that directory we just made there, NC, load from NC, enter the work number of that file we just made, push Start, it transfers over into the matrix, you push Program, work number, enter the number of that program we just made. Here is the program in the matrix. There is the program